Welcome to my channel. I hope you will enjoy it here. In this video, I'm preparing mince stuffed butternut topped with cheese. I hope you will give it a try and that you will give other low-carb meals that I've prepared a try. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification button to be notified of any future videos. I really appreciate your support. Enjoy! You will need butternut half, mince. You will need some seasoning rub for the butternut. You will also need onions, any peppers of your choice, but in this case I've used yellow and red peppers, and a cabbage mix. In fact, it can even be just a plain green cabbage, but in this case this is what I happened to have and I did not want it to go bad. Okay, it's now time to get the butternut ready. So I'm going to use my seasoning rub. The rub consists of oil, and it can be coconut oil, it can be extra virgin olive oil, it can be any oil of your choice. I did show some of the oils in a previous video that I made, so you can just have a look at that to get an idea. I've included freshly chopped parsley. I have not added any salt to this. Reason being, the mince that I'm going to use to stuff the butternut will have salt in it, so I don't have to add salt here. While I prep the butternut, my oven is already at 180 degrees. The butternut is now ready to go in the oven. So I'm going to roast it in the oven until my fork easily goes through. I think this meal qualifies to be classified under simple and easy meals because there's not much to do really. Now that my butternut squash is roasting in the oven, I'm just going to prepare my mince and my cabbage, and that's it. And I mean, the cabbage is an optional side. It all depends on what you feel like. So we are going to have the roasted butternut with the cabbage as a side. I will simultaneously fry the onion for both the mince and the cabbage. I have added salt and my onions have been frying for a bit. I've just given the onion that I'll be frying the cabbage in a head start so that I can get that out of the way. But the onion that I will be frying my mince in is still going. I'm now ready to add seasoning. And you can add seasoning of your choice. I am adding lemon and herb spice. I'll let that fry for a bit, and while I do that, let me check on my other pot. It's now time to add the cabbage. I like to add my cabbage in batches, as I find that this gives enough room for moist air to escape in between the cabbage leaves. My onion is doing alright. I am now ready to add my seasoning. I've added barbecue spice, turmeric, ginger, next I'm adding the mince, and I'm just going to break it all up to make sure that I don't get huge pieces. Now ready to add my robot pepper. Smells inviting. I can't wait to dig in. I'm going to put my lid back on. And by the way, I've long switched off my cabbage. Mince has been simmering for a while. I'm now ready to add coriander. I've allowed the mince to simmer for some time. The seasoning from the coriander has been released and it tastes delicious. And I am now ready to stuff my butternut. Before I add the mince, I first loosen the butternut up a bit just so that it will be easy to scoop up with a spoon when eating. I then add the mince. Looks good. Now I just need to top this up with mozzarella, and please rest assured prior to doing this I thoroughly washed my hands. This is going to go back in the oven for a few minutes. Not too long though, as I don't want the cheese to get rock hard. I'm now ready to plate up. Mouth-watering. You guys have to give this one a try. It's easy and it's delicious. Mince stuffed butternut squash topped with mozzarella. Please remember to subscribe and hit the notification button if you have not already done so. Bye for now.